What up, gang? What up, gang? Today is another day. Y'all guess what it is? Saturday. Y'all see we got her locked and loaded? Yes, sir. All right. Let's get on our way. Yep, so gang, y'all see what I got on. Y'all see what's under the Malibu? We can't have no excuses, y'all. This car game is serious, y'all. So we're on our way, like I say, to this car show. Hopefully we're gonna see a lot of goodies. We're gonna get some good footage today, y'all. Y'all feel me? So let's get this show on the road. I'm ready for my girl to hop in at Monte Carlo. She gonna trail me because she don't know where the hell this place at, but we're gonna see this day with some good footage, y'all. Alright, catch y'all down the way. Alright, gang, we made it up here. Car show's supposed to be over here on that track over there, but we got this man up here. We probably gotta pay or find out where the hell we gotta pull at to get this car off this damn trailer. Alright, let's see what he got to say. Yes, sir. Let's go in here and see what goodies they got, y'all. All right, y'all. Y'all can already see what's going on out here. Cars everywhere. Yes, sir. I got to go see this gray shirt dude in front of me. See where we're gonna park at. We're gonna walk around and see all the cars right now. We're finna go get us something to drink because it is a little steamy out here, y'all. Bless you. Trying to see what we want to get, y'all.
And don't forget, not only at the center track we have a 50-50 raffle, we have the People's Choice Award. Kids, you can go to Kids' Choice Awards. All the raffle prizes, the t-shirts, they're $20. Please buy one. Socks and Cortula Credit Union. And again, door prize winner at this point is number 130.
Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful.
Your way to the center track tent and claim your door prize.
Hey, what the hell?
Nice.
That thing's radical, man.
It is. This is crazy.
Steve, you just see you can refill the master cylinder.
Wow. So look at this, y'all. Yeah. See, there's even a chain and there is steering. Oh, wow. He got his master cylinder in the car with him. He said if he low on fluid, he gonna fill it while he driving. Listen, when he got a short penis, she got to have big power. Y'all hear that shit? Y'all hear that? Is he right or wrong? They didn't hear me, did it? Oh, oops. Right.
So let's see. Let's look underneath, y'all.
Especially look in from the back.
Okay. Charlie. Seeger, transmission pan. Okay. All right. Like you got a 4 9-inch under there. All right, let's go from the back view, y'all. Okay. I see you, man. Yeah. Yeah, he ain't playing, y'all. He got a chrome 9-inch rim. Lord have mercy. He better get top trophy.
I don't know. Look at this how small the shifter is.
Golly, that is a little one.
Yeah, it looks like something like off of one of those Power Wheels, you know.
Almost. Golly, that is true.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of funny. The shifter's pretty cute.
Beautiful, y'all. This is beautiful. How you doing? Fat old tie, Moser axles. 600 plus on the horses.
Attending the car show with the cause, benefiting the Alex Prohaska Memorial.
8.4 liter, y'all.
In center track, we have a 50-50 raffle. We have a People's Choice Award. We have a Kids' Choice Award. We have our t-shirts.
Oh, they got the, oh man. They got the Viper calipers right there and that little old Brembo in there, y'all. I bet you this one is stopping immediately. What's in the front? 2 calipers or 1? Just 1. Okay.
2008.
Our weekly silent auction.
Canary yellow. Beer drinkers and hell raisers. Okay, I see you, buddy. American racing wheels. Okay. For this year, man, this had to be garage kept. From what it looked like, with the top on the bed. All right. Oh, Road Runner. Nice purple, boy. I seen this at one of them other car shows. This baby is clean. And it's a manual. 150 on the dash. Beep, beep. Well, y'all take care. Yeah. All right.
See ya.
These windows are, they are little, boy.
Love it.
Only one fat person can fit in here. Not too much room. Look at this.
I know, I saw it. That's pretty cool.
What?
That's blue inside.
Mm-hmm.
Blue racing stripes. It's pretty cool.
Firebird. Oh, hell no. Look at the damn shifter. That's a damn gun. Look at the shifter. That is nuts. Y'all see that?
Oh yeah, looks like a rifle.
Yeah. That is funny.
That's cool.
Somebody's phone is in the men's bathroom. You better go get it, whoever phone it is. This Studebaker is funny looking to me. I don't know what it is. It's jacked the hell up for sure. What the hell? Oil filter on the top. Well, that's an easy, messy oil change. Y'all see that, y'all? Imagine him taking that oil filter off. Yeah, you can see previous oil leakage down there when he do change it. I don't know. 57 McLeod. Built in Los Angeles. Nice car. Yeah. That's a candy orange.
That's gorgeous.
You like that orange?
Yes.
Oh.
That's beautiful. I love that.
Y'all see that? Y'all subscribe to the channel, y'all.
Yeah, that's really cool. I love these. Oh, feathers.
They kind of
Oh,
match.
so cute.
Yeah. Got a LT1 in here.
This is so cool.
Old vet.
Love it.
Well, not the car, vet motor, y'all.
They have the
Pictures of the
pictures.
bill. Frame off, too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Y'all can see it.
That's impressive.
Mm-hmm.
Real impressive.
How you doing? 28. Yeah, this is old. Look at them tires. This is old. What the hell? Look at that. Look at old Tommy gun sitting there. That fucker is real. He got the lock on there. You ain't using it at all. What in the hell? I've seen it all. Nice. Well, nice. Yeah. Dirt bag by Plymouth. Oh, vet. Stingray. Ooh, this a bad fella here. Got old big block in here.
His car was a 2000.
66 Caprice. Beautiful. Yeah.
The whole car's numbers matching.
396 big block. Still one of my dream cars, y'all. Old Chevelle with the double headlights. You're gonna find me one day. That same front end. That's the best front end with the double headlights like that. Alrighty, we finally made it over here to this, y'all. We got the old semi wheels on it, 22s on the front. This is nuts. What in the world is this? This is like that damn Jeepers Creepers fucking truck from the front. Most of y'all know what that is. $1953. This motherfucker bad looking. It's stretched. $22s on the back. Damn semi wheels look good on here. We're gonna have to get this for my thumbnail. Yes, sir. It's the owner right here. We're gonna come around and talk to him.
Those ramps that you pull out from underneath of it.
He said this is it from the beginning, y'all.
So cool, right? That's why I was like, I see the winch, but I was like, how would you actually get something up on here?
You probably don't even use it that much to put
No.
cars on it,
You
right?
have to be so careful.
Yeah, he was like, yeah.
Golly. It's really for show, really.
Yeah.
Golly.
That's so cool.
Y'all can see one car he got on here.
Well,
Yeah, you can tow 2 cars on that trailer. That's funny.
right.
Oh. Little matching truck. That is nuts.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Like a metallic gray
So my
charcoal.
son is in South Carolina.
He said this is a 10-year project, y'all. This is different. Oh, Chevy truck. Oh yeah. Big old cliff over there. Fucking loud. All right, gang, we are ready. Car show is over. This baby is nice. Oh, Cuda. This is one bad baby here.
Oh yeah. My baby.
Oh yeah. We got another one over here. Oh, Dodge. This a damn trailer to have here. That's my lawn. You can put everything in that. Yeah. It's nice. Alright, y'all. Y'all see we all locked and loaded. Monte Carlo ready. Mally ready. We about to get on to the crib, put the Mally in the doggone garage. I ask y'all to like, subscribe to the channel. Go get these videos coming every time they got a car show. Y'all feel me? Alright, see y'all on the next one. Peace.